that's what the cool thing about clouds is really they can form in any shape. They follow where the instability is and they just go with it. And that's a gorgeous photo straight off the road in Mount Shasta City. Now, what we saw go through our area yesterday, all those clouds, it's almost laughable how dry our atmosphere is right now. So this is the disturbance right here. And once it hits our area, it just dries out. It is very dry outside. If you step outside right now, it is feeling very crisp. A lot of times in the morning, during the winter especially, we see a lot of fog formation. That's when the temperature meets the dew point. That's when you have moisture in the atmosphere. That is not what we have right now. It is very dry, so we aren't seeing any fog, and we are seeing clear skies. Now that the sun's up, we're actually going to see those dew points even drop further. Yesterday, our dew points in the afternoon did get down to the single digits in some areas. Here's another look at that cloud, those clouds, that disturbance that moved through, just kind of hits our region and just dries out, and we really didn't see any clouds yesterday. Now, what we are going to see through the day today, we have a thermal trough in California. You can just follow up where all the orange is. Just imagine all this air is just moving into our region. So all that warm air is getting brought into our area. That disturbance that moved through is actually the reason we're going to continue to see the Chetco effect today, because it kind of just influenced the high pressure enough to keep it offshore. To end the Chetco effect, high pressure needs to move a little bit more inland. That affects the coast in two ways. One, ends the Chetco effect. Two, high pressure on land allows the marine layer to move back in. So we could be seeing some more fog as early as tomorrow. I think a better chance is going to be over the weekend. Not expecting it to linger very long, maybe Friday and Saturday, but we will see sunshine in the afternoon, at least some sunshine. This weekend for inland areas is going to be cooler. Cold front's going to make its way through, and it's going to be dropping our temperatures quite a bit. Still going to be unseasonably warm. Then you add that breeze in there and it's going to be feeling significantly cooler than what it actually will be like. So at the coast today with that Chetco effect, Brookings will warm up to 82 degrees, so even warmer than the last couple of days with gusts up to 20 miles per hour, but that onshore flow, it's going to be a warm breeze. In the mountains, fairly windy, gusts up to 35 miles per hour. It's coming from the east. That's going to be a colder breeze, so it's not going to be feeling as warm. Same story in the basin. Although temperatures are right around where we were yesterday, you add the breeze in there, it's going to be feeling not as warm, but still fairly pleasant, very spring-like. Northern California, we do have an 80 out there, Happy Camp. Mount Shasta finally getting into the 70s this week, and we are going to see a bit breezy this afternoon. Northern California will not be as breezy as the rest of southern Oregon because it is further south of where all the disturbances are, right around 80 degrees for most areas in the Rogue Valley. So at the coast, that marine layer, chance to move in over the next several days, and a few more clouds as well. And then we're going to see a chance for showers as we head into next week. In the basin, that warm up brings us up to the mid-70s by Friday. And then this weekend is going to be a bit breezy. Northern California, a few more clouds and cooler this weekend. 69 degrees for the high on Monday after 80s Friday and Saturday. Next several days in the valleys, we are going to see several 80s out there, even some mid-80s. So the warmest days of the year so far are going to be the next several. And then we start to cool down this weekend.